are at Santa Carmela. The Esperanza Hotel is right here, right next door. Welcome to Via Magnifica. Second row. Beach is right here. Let's walk up the entrance. This is the casita. The casita has 2 bedrooms and a full kitchen, living room upstairs, and a studio downstairs with a full kitchen. Right when you come in, there's an enormous, beautiful dome at the center of the house. The sitting area and a fireplace. And over here, we have a little media room. This is the kitchen and dining area. Leads right out to the pool. Super open and tons of storage space back here. This part of the kitchen opens up to the terrace, and you see there's an outdoor kitchen. So you can pass things really easily through outside. And look at this. It's a little bit hazy today, but gorgeous nonetheless. And here is the outdoor kitchen and dining area. There's barbecue, a stove top, fridge, ice maker, sink. You can see right, there's that window. And there's a half bathroom over here, so you don't have to go into the house to use the restroom from the pool. Tons of space out here. We have a bell and you see a whale. And more outdoor seating. Technically this house is second row, but it kind of feels like front row because you have your own private access straight down to the beach. Look at that. Beautiful arch views. So there's a fire pit right here, and right below you see the walkway that goes. There's a little gate down here, right down to the sand, and this area is the Santa Carmela Clubhouse, and you can see there's the pool. It's an awesome clubhouse with a full kitchen and dining area, chairs to lay out right by the water. Going back into the house. So this house is accessible from the street we came in on over here, or can also access the house from this side. The clubhouse's entrance is right here, so you could come right here into the house. There's a garage down below. take you to master. Big master with another beautiful dome and private terrace. So here was the access to the beach club. And over here is the driveway to the garage for Via Magnifica. We have the bathroom with a big walk-in closet. Double sinks, bathtub, separate shower, toilet, and vanity. This beautiful piece of art. Another beautiful dome and private terrace. Oh, here's the garage, driveway. Closet. Double sinks, shower. Coming back out. This little staircase take you back to the center of the house. We have a half bath right here. And another beautiful dome and an office. Let's take you down to the garage. Huge garage, and if you're a Cabo person and you like to fish, there is a fillet station right here. So awesome. Look at all this space. And there is a wine cellar through this door. So coming back up from the garage, back in this hallway, takes you back to the living room. So we saw a bedroom here, office here, and let's go see one of the bedrooms right by the beach access. All right, so coming back out to the pool. This house is really great for rentals because you could rent out different areas separately. 2 main bedrooms in the house, and then you take this little staircase. There's a shower right over here when you're coming up from the beach and you need to get all the sand off of you. And here we have a 3rd bedroom. And it has a little kitchenette here. So you have a sink and a burner, 2 burners, and a fridge. And check this out, gorgeous views. And bathroom. Tons of light in here, it's really pretty. So, and right across the way is the laundry room. And then there is a little staircase here. It takes you right down to the beach. So yeah, here's the beach club right next door. And Via Magnifica. So when you come up from the stairs, go back up to the main house through this gate right here. Or you can come to the side of the house. And this is technically the maid's quarters. Okay. So the maid's quarters has full-on kitchen. And this would be set up with a bed. And then there's a full bathroom back here. All right, coming back up to the pool. Jacuzzi. So Via Magnifica is 8,600 square feet of air-conditioned space and 11,000 square feet in construction. 2 main bedrooms in the main house, 2 bedrooms with casitas down below the pool, right above the staircase down to the beach. And let's go see the casita. Here we are. So like I said, this is a 2-bedroom casita upstairs and then a studio downstairs. Here we are. So you could rent this separately, the other one down below separately, the room in front of the beach access separately, and the house separately or all together. There's a lot of opportunities for rental here. This is the living room and patio. It's great views. And so to get down to the beach, you wouldn't need to go through the house. There is a gate right here that will just take you straight over to the walkway. Right. You can see the full kitchen here. And there's 2. This is a powder room. And we have 2 bedrooms. One. Super cute. And here's a second room. And a bathroom. Bathroom's super cute. It has a dome in it. And we'll head down to the studio. Second casita. And a full kitchen here. So lots of opportunities for a rental income with this house. I'm gonna take you to see the back or side, I guess, of the house. There's another walkway that goes straight down to the other street that takes you to the clubhouse. So your guests or renters have their own access to the beach club either side of the street. And here's the Santa Carmela tennis courts. Amazing views while you're playing tennis.